The sprawling campus of the Fort Erie International Academy is now also home to Cappa College. Cappa has a 40-plus year history of teaching hairstyling and aesthetics, and their new home has given them the opportunity to expand. Cappa College will offer welding and CNC toolmaking courses starting in September.
Our hairstyling and aesthetics programs have a really strong reputation within the local community, especially among salons and spas that love hiring Cappa graduates. I noticed that there was something about Cappa that worked. The short programming, the small class sizes, and the extreme focus on practical hands-on experience working with clients. And I thought, why can't that model be brought to the trades as well?
What do you think the job prospects are for your graduates?
I think they're good. I fell into the trade and it's worked out very well for me. I know I'm only just one guy. However, I've got a lot of friends in the trade, and like myself, the trade can lead you in so many different areas. I've branched into teaching, so there's that route. You can go through quality, you can go through material handling, you can get into management and supervision. Like, you don't need to just be on the shop floor all the time. You have to start there, right? We all have to start there and get our skills up and get our confidence up. But I think now, just knowing there's so many possibilities of where you can go.
State-of-the-art equipment as well as daycare and transportation are just some of the benefits the college is offering to students.
Traditionally in the market, there's let's say two types of post-secondary options. There's traditional college route, which has large classes but is backed with, let's say, campus services such as student support, career services, cafeteria, transportation, etc. And then there's more, let's say, trade schools that generally only focus on training. We're trying to bridge the benefits of both. So we have small class sizes in the labs that we have. There will be small class sizes. Every student will get to work at their own station. But at the same time, we're trying to bring the campus services that a traditional large-scale college has, such as a fitness center, a cafeteria for students to purchase lunch, an on-site daycare should a student require that service, transportation, career services, resume and interview help, etc.
It's amazing, right? Like, I'm a father, I've got kids. If I'm looking to upskill myself to improve the life for my family and I can have child services, that's very beneficial, right? Yeah, transportation as well. Niagara's kind of hard for public transportation. If you in the area, you know this, right? Niagara Falls, St. Catharines, they've got great transportation routes. This band along the Lake Erie, not so much. So offering transportation for students, I think, is a huge perk, because if you're an 18 or 19-year-old in Port Colborne and they're saying, hey, we'll come grab you with a bus and we'll bring you in every day, well, now you've just opened that whole opportunity, right?
Now that the ribbon is cut, Cappa College will turn their attention to an open house at the end of the month.
Yeah, so we have an open house coming on May 31st. It'll be open to the general public. Information can be found on our website, cappacollege.ca. At this open house, students and prospective students and families will have the opportunity to see the space, see the state-of-the-art equipment and lab space that we have, as well as chat with their instructors. It gives them an opportunity to see if they can envision themselves as a student in Cappa and then actually working as a hairstylist, esthetician, welder, machinist down the road.
In Niagara, you're watching The Source on your TV.